Anyway, your English is really good. Are you really from India?
Yeah.
You don't have that accent, you know?
Yeah, I don't
The Indian
have the
accent. Wait, just wait a second. Let me take off my earphone.
I'll take your time, man. No, I can't hear you now. Yeah. No, man. I want to talk to you, but I can't hear you.
रहा नहीं जाता.
No, chill. I can understand.
A few inches later.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Oh my
Okay. So actually, I'm really happy today. You know why?
Why?
Because I just changed my name to B.
B.
You know, yeah. You know why? Because you're the honey. My real name is Claire, and it's your future girlfriend name.
भाई मजा आया.
My future girlfriend's name?
Just kidding.
Okay. This isn't gay. Is this gay? This isn't gay.
Kinda, bro. Hey.
Hi, dude. No.
Hello. Are you guys going to rob a bank though?
Yeah.
Where are you guys from? No.
खत्म. बाय बाय. टाटा. गुड बाय. गया.
What are you doing? What is this helmet?
No le entiendo ni merga, güey.
No English.
No. Español.
Español. Chone verga puta. Puta madre.
Your mom.
Hello. Are you fans Real Madrid?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
What
Oh.
about you?
I'm fans Manchester United. Oh, yeah.
Manchester United. So what's your who is your favorite player?
Cristiano Ronaldo. No.
Su.
Messi. De Gea.
Okay.
You face like Chinese from Chinese.
I'm not Chinese. I'm not Chinese. But I'm Tibetan.
Yeah.
Tibetan.
Do
Wait.
you like Madrid?
Yeah.
Hello, Madrid.
Hala Madrid. Hala Madrid. Oh damn. I also have one.
Screenshot.
You want to take screenshot? Sure, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
You have a good one. Can I sing a song for you guys?
Yeah. Sure.
Do you know Backstreet Boys?
Yeah, I know. I know.
You
Mm.
are my fire, desire.
Nyanyi dong.
Can reach to your heart when you say I won't live that way. Tell me why.
Tell me why.
Tell me why.
Tell me why.
Mistake. Tell me why I'm not I want it that way. Thank you so much. Your voice is good. Your voice is so cool. Thank you.
कौन जगह इंडिया? हाँ नहीं सर्वर यूज करता है इसलिए
Hi. Where are you from?
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
Maharashtra.
Oh, hi. I am also from Maharashtra. Don't lie, okay? I am also from Maharashtra. Speak some Marathi. महाराष्ट्र में कहाँ से? मुंबई. ये हिंदी है. ओके? प्यार होता है. We are asking what's your native? Yeah.
Tibet.
Huh?
Tibet.
Huh? Sorry?
Tibet.
Tibet. We thought. Hey, we are matching, you know. Hey, matching. Congrats.
तो क्या नाचो मैं?
Matching yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow. Congrats.
Thank you.
Are you?
I can sing you some songs.
Wait. Okay. Go ahead.
My life is brilliant. My life is pure. I saw an angel. Of that I'm sure. She smiled me on the subway. She was with another man. I got a plan. Claire.
Yeah.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face in the crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Thank you so much.
You're a really fun man.
You sing, bro?
Hungary.
A few inches later.
Damn, man! Awesome! I love it, bro. I love it. Perfecto, perfecto. You perfect. You guys from India?
Yes.
Can I play one Indian song?
Okay.
I don't know whether you guys have heard it or not, but okay, I'll try. समझे जमाना के दिल है खिलौना जाना है अब क्या है दिल का लगाना नजरों से अब ना हमको गिराना मर भी गए तो भूल ना जाना आँखों में बसी हो पर दूर हो कहीं दिल के करीब हो है मुझको है यकीन ओ सनम तेरी प्यार की कसम How's it?
It was very good.
Thank you so much. Thank you for listening. I hope you guys enjoy it. So you guys have a great time robbing banks with your mugs and glasses. Yeah? Nice. You have a beautiful eyes though. Okay, bye. Take care.
Bye. You too.
Oh,
Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Be careful over here. You know there are lots of
Oh yeah, I know. Thank you.
Okay, take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you. Stay
You're
healthy.
welcome.
Stay healthy. See you.
Ciao. Bye. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Nice.